Hi, I'm Toshi. Actually, I'm now in my house and I'm taking this movie because many people wrote a message on the YouTube. I didn't get any like bitcoins and something like that. And today we found out we couldn't send a bitcoin. There is a reason. Actually, the first time I made this application, you guys need like 5,000 Satoshi for the fee, right? To withdraw the Bitcoin. But we tried and reduced it. Maybe now it's more or less, right? Because we tried to correct, how can I say, one transaction. I have to explain the system or mechanism of the Bitcoins, but it doesn't matter. First, we send it by like one by one, but now we send it like 100 people together. Then we succeeded to reduce the fee of withdrawal, but we had some bugs on these programs, so we couldn't send the bitcoins for a while, maybe 2 or 3 days, I guess. So tomorrow, actually, we have the meeting online, like Zoom or something like that, because now it's in Japan. There is a coronavirus, and you have to stay home. So we cannot come to the office together. Some engineers stay at home. Some people stay at some place or their parents' house. I don't know, but they cannot get outside right now. So we are like kind of difficult to communicate quickly. So we need a time. Maybe tomorrow we will have the meeting and we just talk about these topics. We will fix it soon. So please wait for maybe a week. We will 100% send the bitcoins, but now it's a little bit trouble. So please just wait. So that's why I'm here in my house and taking a movie to tell you about these topics. Yeah, I'm so sorry about it, but it's gonna be fine. So just wait. See you. Bye.